Hello everyone, this is Robert with Homecraft here at our newest listing in Southfield. This one, completely updated, 2-bedroom, 3 full, 1/2 bath condo, multiple outdoor living spaces. We have a pool in this complex. Can't wait to check this one out. Come on. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful condo. If you have any questions about this property, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team, 734-329-0123, or you can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com. Thanks and have a good one.